Tabby versus Tamara, which approves faster? Trying to decide between Tabby and Tamara? Here's which one gives you faster approvals at checkout. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll quickly compare Tabby and Tamara to help you find out which service approves your payments faster, especially if you need instant results. Tabby typically offers faster approvals for users who already have a shopping history with them. If you've paid on time before, you'll likely get approved instantly at checkout. Tamara may take a bit longer, especially for first-time users. They sometimes require manual review before approval, depending on the store or order amount. Tabby's approval process is smoother on major platforms like Noon, Namshi, and Amazon UAE. Tamara is still reliable, but might ask for extra ID verification or even partial payments upfront in some cases. Both use soft checks, but Tabby often pre-approves limits once your identity is verified and linked to a valid payment card. Tip: if you're new to both platforms, Tabby tends to approve smaller purchases faster, while Tamara might be better once you build a payment history. Which one worked better for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more shopping guides. Thanks for watching.